parang mother unit no, sa Araneta University Foundation. Now, it is franchised with Lasal. Sinasabi nila na wala ang Araneta University Foundation, Araneta University, hindi naman, nandun pa yun. Yung Lasal na sinasabi, franchise lang yan. So, that remains to be Araneta. Araneta pa rin yun. Yung extension lang ang nawala. But then, the loss of the school building, kung hindi na natin sa panahon ngayon, okay lang yun. Basta yung produkto ng Araneta University Extension ay nandito, matibay, nahaligi, at alaala ng Araneta University Extension. And we are here. Tulad din ng iba na kasabihan, we as teachers, we remain teachers. Kasabihan yan, walang gurong yumaman sa profesyong pagiging isang guro. Pero naging mayaman kami sa katulad ninyo. Kayo ang yaman na ikinalat namin sa mundo. At ito ay katunayan na ang yaman ito ay hindi nawawala. Yaman, edukasyon, nakatalim sa ating mga sarili. So thank you so much for remembering us also. We are here with you. It's our pride, it's our honor to be with you. Kasiyahan namin itong kami ay maging kasama ninyo sa gabi ito. If you will ask me a few of what happened to me after my retirement, I remain busy. Kasi namansin ko kapag ako'y naging idle, lalo akong maghihina at maaaring madali akong mag-graduate sa mundo ito. So after my retirement, luckily, nabigyan naman ako ng scholarship na Supreme Court. So I joined the court with Annabel Abaya as one of our masipag namin kasama as mentor with then Justice Tabidi. Nag-join kami yung unang-unang mediator ng Supreme Court. Ang pilot ng panahon ay Valenzuela. Noong panahon na yun ay Valenzuela at Mandaluyong. So it's the plan of Justice Tabidi din na malagyan ng mediation ang buong Metro Manila. Nagkaroon ng Metro Manila. And then after that, nadalhan namin ang Cebu and Davao. But I stayed only at the court up to 2005. After 2005, simultaneously, naging malikot ako sa politics. Naging kasama ako ng Congressman Maggie. Nakipaglaro-laro ako ng konti. Simultaneous, nagkagawad ako sa parada. And then after that, talagang hindi ko makakalimutan ang profession education. Sa ngayon, ako ay isa pa ring principal ng St. Bernadette College of Valenzuela. It served as a therapy in my part para hindi ako maging malungkot, para maging busy ako. And glad to say that the owner of St. Bernadette is also a graduate of Araneta University Extension, Mrs. Bernal. Nakipag-usap ako sa kanya at ang nahingi ko sa kanyang parang tulong dahil siya ay graduate din ng Araneta University Extension. Lahat ng anak ng graduate ng Araneta University Extension ay nahingi ko na mabigyan ng discount. Until now, yun ang ina-exercise namin. So, these are some of my experiences. Ito yung mga naging karanasan ko. Ito yung trabaho ko at ito ngayon ako. Muli, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Special mention pala si Ma'am Clarissa Medina. Ayan. I was surprised. Na-surprise ako paano niya nakuha yung number ko. At talaga nabanggit ko, napakasipag niya. Parang lahat yata ng Metro Manila, pinuntahan niya, hinanap niya talaga kami hanggang ako'y napuntahan niya sa eskwelahan namin. Again, thank you so much, Ma'am Clarissa Medina. Napakasipag talaga. Mabuhay. So, muli, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Magaling ang asawa niya. Ang ilis na siya ngayon. Kasi sa akin na lahat, Mr. Castillo.
Siyempre, meron ba?
Additional ko na lang sa sinabi ni Mr. Castillo. I'm very proud na naging estudyante namin kayo. And I'm very proud na kami naging foundation ninyo kung ano kayo ngayon. At nagpapasalamat din ako na marunong kayong tanaw ng utang na loob. Kasi hanggang ngayon naalala nyo kami, 37 years. Although, ano pa na mga faces ninyo, pero nakakalimutan ko na yung mga pangalan. And that is not well kasi sa dami ng estudyante namin, hindi na namin maalala yung iba. Pero pag nakikita naman namin mga pangalan ninyo, ay mga mukha ninyo, meron pa rin namin yung mga high school days. Ngayon, saludo ako sa inyo dahil lahat kayo ay professional na. And siguro naman, pati mga anak ninyo, mga professional na rin. Kaya nung batch ni Robert, 75 na, 73, nagkagalak ako dun sa batch nila yun. Kasi, pati mga anak nila, mga professional na. Sila professional na rin. Ang mga anak nila, ganun na rin. Kaya, meron malaki ang achievements na nagawa nila. So, I'm very proud na isa ako sa naging foundation nyo. Thank you.
Salamat din po.
Last year, we attended two reunions. The first one took place on May 21, supposed to be the end of the world. But it was happened, and we left the place. It's still that was the reunion of Cats of 81. And then, the same month, May 28, we attended the reunion of Cats 82. But before that, we attended two reunions of Cats 78. And then, this is the Chairman Central Bank. I have attended one, I have attended five. And I am very honored that you have come to my house to invite me. In particular, the group of Clarissa Medina, who was a member of my advisory class, together with Mario Lantin, Robert Angeles, also Reynaldo Macuja, and there's
Sonia, pardon.
yes. Marami sila. And actually, when they arrived, I was expecting them. I was really shocked because all of them had their own cars. And I know they noticed that the place where occupied, these streets there are narrow. So the place can accommodate only two cars at the same time. Yung tapat namin, yun ang nagiging parking space. Wala naman sa amin magpapark. Kaya, yun ako pa nila. I wonder how they were able to find the place. Because from the highway, you can barely see the sign, Rainbow Homes 1. That is more well known as Rainbow Homes 2 because that is very near PB5. But our place is a little obscure. So I feel very honored that I have been invited to attend this reunion. And I also feel very proud of you. When my neighbors ask, who are those? Who are they? Who? And I told them, they were my former students. You can see how successful they have become. Nung una, nung dumating sila, parang bisyoso. Ganun doon sa lugar namin eh. Pero siguro, mga nakasilip sa kanilang bintana. Kaya nung magsialis kayo, nakita nilang isang tambak yung kotse, no? Sabi na, sino yun? Sabi nila, at nagkaroon ako ng ganun mga bisita. First time na mangyari yun. Dahil ako nakita naman nila, nakapedicab lang yung tipadyak, ha? Kaya, ang mga estudyante ko yun. Gano'n na sila kayaman. At saka sabi ko, dati na may mga kayamanan yun dahil hindi naman sila pwede mag-aral sa private school if they do not have the means. Because yumaman pa because of that, what they have finished and they have studied when they have finished their course. And I told them, most of them are engaged in business. Legal business. Hindi illegal, ha? Kaya saka meron pala akong ihingi ng tawad, ha? Dahil siguro sa medyo nasyak ako, I was not able to offer you not even a glass of water. That was
Okay lang yun.
something that I regret. Nung gabi, hindi ako makatulog dahil sabi ko, naku, may tubig pala, hindi ko sila napainom. At napakadami nilang dalang pagkain. Yes, diba? Ay naku, yung siomay. Sabi ko, kaya namin matatapos niya ito. At ang sarap pa. At meron pa silang dalang may siopaw pa. Meron pa silang tinapay. Parang sabi ko, ay, alam niyo ang tuwa-tuwa? Yung acting ako na 6 years old. Yung kinder. Dahil pagka kami lalabas, ang gusto niya, siopay. Hindi na siopaw, saka yung siomay. Yung pork. So he was very happy. Sabi ko, sayang naman. Ikaw lang yata. Dahil ako, nagdadaya ka. Hindi naman dahil nasa family namin alam niyo na, high blood pressure. Kaya payat, amin, kay mataba, that is fat, we will die out. May isang ditong bed sa tayang kanina. Oh yes, Carmelina Marcelo. Gagaya na rin ako sa iyo. Alright, nakita niyo naman kami. I'm 74, going 75 this coming November. At yung mga batch 81, they said that they will have a reunion 5 years from 2011. So I told them, I wish I'll still be around because by that time, nagkamali pa nga ako, mahina kasi ko sa math. Sabi ko ay 78 na ako. Inisip ko, 2011 plus 5 pa, di 2016 yun. So I will be 79 years old by that time. Kung hindi ako makarating, I'll be there in spirit. Saka hindi ko natatandaan, mahilig pa rin akong magbasa. Kaya naman, siguro na matatandaan ko yung I'm still around yung 2016. Ayaw kong maging kunyanin na. Kaya nung mag-retire ako, at least I had taught for 40 years. Hanggang 63 years old ako, nagturo ako. Nung mawala na yung ating Araneta, pumunta ako sa Salvador Araneta Memorial Institute, doon sa may Reparo, Potrero. Actually, kaya ako nagpunta doon dahil nagpunta ako sa pag-ibig. E nandun lang naman yung malapit. And I wanted to see my former teachers na may mga nagtuturo doon. Si Mrs. Sandoval ang principal. Ay ibang teachers sa Malabon, nakakasama ko din. Eh, yung iba nandoon, kaya nila Mrs. Calusi. I think teacher kaya nila. Ay, hindi nakilala. Miss Lucina dati, si Mrs. Calusi. Nasa Roger. Nung pagpunta ko doon, sabi ni Mrs. Ana Marie Santos Ocampo, one of the daughters of Don Salvador Araneta, tinanong niya ako, di ba teach? Eh actually, almost 63 years old na ako noon. And may pension na ako. Eh sabi ko sa kanya, pwede pa? Pwede pa ba? Kasi sabi niya sa akin, oh, you go to Miss Sandoka. Tapos ayun, pinagturo ako the following June. Kaya nagturo ako hanggang 1999. And then I have to resign when my husband had a heart attack. And when I hand in my resignation letter, she told me that she will accept it with regret. Mabait si Mrs. Ana Marie Santos Ocampo, one of the daughters of Don Salvador. And I enjoyed teaching, although it was not my first dream. I wanted to become a writer. Tapos napunta ako sa teaching because it was my dream of my father to be like my mother, who was also a teacher, but an elementary school teacher. Yun ang choice. Maging madre, maging teacher. Pero yung ate ko, she did not become a teacher because our father died when we were still in third high school. Hindi pa nga kami tapos. Kaya ilang kinuha niya, she took up banking and finance, and she was the one who supported her education. Naging working students niya. Pero ako, hindi ko nagawa yun dahil ayaw na nanay ko. Sabi niya, mag-aral ka na lang sa UP dahil mura-mura ang bayad doon. Sabi ko naman, baka hindi ako tanggapin. Ang malayo. May practice, diba? Wala akong nakita na very thin. Hindi tayo makalito sa thank you for giving me the chance to see all of you. Hopefully we'll see each other again.
Nagpapasalamat ako ng marami sa lahat sa inyo at hindi nyo kami nakakalimutan. Sabi nga nila, teachers daw, teachers forever. Alam nyo, sa ngayon, ang profession namin, hindi na teacher. Tutor sa mga apo at caregiver sa mga apo. At yun ang bago namin profession, Yaya. Salamat ng marami at binigyan nyo kami ng pagkakataong maimbita at makasama sa okasyon ito.
Salamat po, salamat po.
What the words, what I've been dreaming of.